Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to discuss some ideas on DE. So Deere is set to report earnings prior to the open tomorrow, which is probably the worst time you could ask for, just because how many people are going to be trading on the day right prior to Thanksgiving, but that doesn't mean that there's not going to be opportunities in it. So the way that I look at it, because I am still actively trading this, is that I had the opportunity to set up what is a little bit of a bearish spread, and we'll show it here through DE. Now I evaluated the spread by, you throw your orders out there and you try to get a fill, and then if you can get that fill, then you try to get a few more, maybe at a slightly better price. So I started my idea for the bearish unbalanced butterfly at a 25-cent credit, and I still like the spread heading into tomorrow. So as long as you can take it into credit for these types of butterflies, anything that results in lower prices will make money. But the way that you can really try to max these spreads out are instances where maybe it does rally a little bit. The main thing for me is kind of like the Price is Right, where I want to get as close to the short 94 call as humanly possible, but I don't want to go over, because I want to capture the intrinsic value of the 93 call while still initiating this, and that's what helps gives you that no risk to the downside. So essentially tomorrow, if DE can open up at this fire line, well then I am golden, and that's exactly where I'd like to see it. If it explodes higher and I am dead wrong, well then I have $75 at risk for every $125 that I'm trying to make. So I think this is the best way to look at a strategy where you're looking lower, but if it moves a little bit higher, that's still perfectly fine, and then you try to trap that around the short body strike. So that's one of the positions that I saw heading into tomorrow. I think that's a great example of where you're trying to initiate these slightly bearish call side unbalanced flies when you're looking at a spot where the market is clearly extended. And just to tie one more piece that may lie up into this, I'm curious as to where we stand in relationship to your 1272 extension. I'm willing to take the trade based simply off the voodoo lines alone. The 1272 has been cleared, but look at the relationship of that 1618. It's exactly the same price. So that really helps enforce my idea of resistance at 94. You initiate the spread utilizing the core part of a short 94 call. And that's one of the best ways I know to get positioned for earnings. So I hope you guys find that helpful. If there's anything else I can do for you, please don't hesitate to email me or whatever I can do to help. I'm happy to discuss these more with you. We'll see how DE opens tomorrow. If it drops, watch 89 for support, and maybe you can do the exact same strategy in the inverse, and that may play out well into December. So that's what I've got for tonight's free video. I hope it helps, and I will talk to you guys soon.